security. How Aruba ClearPass NAC security helps to protect organizations from the ransomware attack and other security threats. Today, ransomware attacks are increasing rapidly across the enterprise, bank, hospital, government organization, and other data center because the world war is going on. Russia, Ukraine, uh, Israel, Iran, and US. So all countries going to try to hack your database. So most of the attack are targeting the endpoints, unauthorized devices, weak authentication system, and unsecure network access. If the single infected device enters the network, it can spread malware across the entire infrastructure within the minutes. That where Aruba ClearPass NAC security becomes a critical security solution. Aruba ClearPass works as the first line of defense for the network enterprise. Aruba ClearPass provides the user authentication, device authentication, role-based access control, endpoint visibility, dynamic policy enforcement, network segmentation, and guest and BYOD security. Now let's understand how ClearPass helps prevent ransomware attacks. ClearPass verifies every user and device before allowing network access using 802.1 authentication. Only authorized user and trusted devices can connect to the network. Unknown or suspect devices can be blocked automatically. ClearPass provides endpoint profiling. ClearPass identifies the Windows devices, Linux systems, mobile phones, printers, IoT devices, and unmanaged endpoints. If any unknown or risky device is detected, ClearPass can move into the quarantine VLAN is completely denied. ClearPass provides the role-based access control limit user permission. Example, a guest user cannot access the servers. An employee cannot access the restricted finance system unless authorized. This minimizes literal movement of ransomware inside the network. ClearPass integrates with the firewall, SIM tools, antivirus solution, and endpoint security platform. If a malware or ransomware activity is detected, ClearPass can automatically disconnect the infected device from the network. This helps stop the attack before it spread further. Also, ClearPass provides the dynamic network segmentation. Different user and devices are separated into different VLAN or access policies. Even if one segment is compromised, the attacker cannot easily move across the organization. Now, let's understand about the best practice. To improve the ransomware protection using Aruba ClearPass, always enable 8021x authentication user certificate instead of only password whenever it's possible. Enable device profiling and posture check. Implement least privilege access policies. Integrate ClearPass with firewall and SOC monitoring tools. Monitoring fail authentication log regularly. Keep ClearPass servers updated within the latest patch and security updates. Most important, never allow unmanaged or authorized devices directly into the enterprise network. In today's cybersecurity world, prevention is better than the recovery. Aruba ClearPass NAC security provides visibility control, authentication, and automated response capability that help organizations secure their infrastructure against modern cyber, cyber threats. Thank you for watching this video.